Hey, it's your realtor Jess here to talk about the 5 main benefits of homeownership. The 5 main benefits of owning your own home are building wealth, building equity, tax deductions, stronger credit, and creating your dream home. Let's take these one by one. Number one, building wealth. Wealth is built when your asset increases in value over time, also known as appreciation. When you hold on to your home for several years, your home will likely be worth more in the future than you purchased it for. Here in DC, homes appreciate at about 6% a year on average. That rate could be double or triple depending on the neighborhood, the home, or even the year. But even saying 6% a year, if you bought a $300,000 home today and it appreciated at just 6% each year for the next 10 years, in year 10 that home would be worth $537,254. So you spent $300,000 today, and in 10 years it's worth over $537,000, almost double what you paid for it. Now that's how you build wealth. Number two, building equity. Equity is the amount that an asset is worth minus what's owed on it. So it's your market value of your home minus the mortgage that you still owe on it. Every month you pay down your mortgage, you owe a little bit less, and each month the market is saying, okay, we like this home a little bit more, it's worth a little bit more. So in our last example, you bought a $300,000 home having put down the minimum 3% as a first-time home buyer. So you put down $9,000, and then you got a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage for $291,000 to purchase your $300,000 home. You spend the next 10 years diligently paying your mortgage each month, paying it down. And so after 10 years, you only owe 2/3 of what you originally borrowed. That means you only owe $194,000. But as you were paying down your mortgage and the market was liking your home a little bit more, that home became worth $537,254. So if you subtract the $194,000 that you owe on it from the $537,254 that it's now worth, that means you would have $343,254 in equity. It's a lot of numbers. It's a lot of money. $343,000 in equity. How many of you could use $343,000 in equity? This queen certainly could. Number three, tax deductions. You're able to save on your federal income taxes both when you sell the home and when you continue to own it. So when you sell the home, you're able to get the capital gains exclusion if you lived in the home for at least 2 of the last 5 years. So what does that even mean? What does that even mean? Well, anytime you have an asset, if you held it for at least a year, you have to pay what's called capital gains tax when you go to sell it, right? Any asset. When it's your home and you've lived in it as your primary residence, like I said, for at least 2 of the last 5 years, if you're a single person like me, you get to exclude up to $250,000 of that gain. And if you're a married person, you get to exclude up to $500,000 of that gain. So going back to our early example, where you had $343,254 in equity, you, as a single person, would be able to exclude $250,000 of that gain. So you would only have to pay tax on the $83,254 instead of the whole $343,000. So it saves you significantly when you go to sell. And each month, as you're paying on it, you're getting a deduction on your annual federal income taxes from the mortgage interest that you're paying and from the property taxes that you're paying. And you're able to get that benefit each month that you pay down your mortgage, you are accruing that benefit to you. So saving on your taxes as you own and when you sell. That's like 2 times the savings. It's a twofer. Number 4, the fourth way that owning a home benefits you is that it strengthens your credit history. So each month that you make an on-time mortgage payment, you're telling the credit bureaus that you're a responsible borrower, and this builds your credit history and your credit score. So in the future, you're able to get more credit more easily. Say you want to buy a car, another house, get capital for a business, you're able to have a much stronger credit history as a homeowner. The 5th way that owning a home benefits you is my favorite, decorating. Owning your home allows you to create the home that you want. You get the freedom to make your home the way you want it. Paint, furnish, update the appliances, even move the walls around. You're able to customize your home to make your dreams come true. Want to start a business? Turn that guest room into an office. Want to have a baby? Turn that office into a nursery. Your home is truly the launch pad for your dreams. Own your home so that you can create your dream home. All right, time to recap. The 5 main benefits of homeownership are building wealth, building equity, tax deductions, stronger credit history, and creating your dream home. Thanks so much for watching till the end. You are truly helping this queen achieve her dreams.